Hello, I'm Dr. Eve. Welcome to the Sexual Health Center. Managing cheating is one of the big challenges that I face right here in my therapy room. People sit on this couch and they have discovered that one of them is cheating. And there is an enormous amount of tension, of pain, of crying, of big difficulty that happens between two people in this huge crisis. I'm talking about cheating, whether it's cyber infidelity or whether it's real life cheating, whether it's with your secretary or whether it's with a sex worker. It is a betrayal of trust, and people feel that pain enormously. There are many different treatment modalities that are proposed of how do we manage treating somebody who has cheated, been found to have cheated. So as a therapist, I'm going to be working with a couple, working with you around your heart, looking at the immediacy of the problem. You want to be dealing with the crisis. So if you are right now in a situation where you have discovered that cheating has recently occurred, your experience is going to be very different to you having found out a few months or even a few years ago, because somehow the pain sits there. The biggest immediate problem that you have is the shattering of trust that happens for you. This feeling of absolutely a stranger in your midst, somebody who you thought that you knew so well, suddenly you find has a secret life that you never knew about. How do you deal with that? Looking at this person in a new way. Well, your first impulse is going to be a honeymoon phase. You might really find that you need to cling on to this person, get back this person into your life, and surprise yourself by not kicking his ass or her ass right out the door, but actually wanting to have sex, which is quite human. That's the way that it is. Then you need to go through the process of acknowledging. Your partner needs to acknowledge, I am the one who really has hurt this person. I take responsibility for it. And it may be at that point that the person has to make a big choice. Do I want to be with the person I've cheated with, or do I want to stay in my relationship that I'm presently in? And through the absolute emotional heaviness of that time, it's not a good thing to make a decision in that time. All you want to be doing in the management of your cheating right there and then is just to be able to get control of your emotions. It's a lot of talking, a lot of interrogation. It's a lot of being accountable, because you want to be winning trust back. After maybe weeks, after even months of going through this process of trying to understand, of the interrogation of winning back the trust through accountability, through disclosure, then is the time that you can decide, actually, I can't really live with this situation, or yes, I can live with this situation. It may take you months to find that out. Don't make a decision in haste. Don't do it immediately. Get through the emotional heaviness of it. Get through the incredibly difficult challenge of finding that this person who you thought you knew, you no longer know anymore. And you become a stranger to yourself, because your value system may say, I'm getting rid of this person if he or she cheats, but actually you keep staying. Don't judge yourself. Manage your cheating in a sensible and responsible way through therapy. I really advise people to go through the process of therapy, because it's going to catch you years later or months later. Go into therapy. I write a lot about cheating and cyber infidelity with my research in Ashley Madison. Go onto my website, read some things about it, come in for counseling, or follow me on Twitter and find me on Facebook.